Here we begin with lesson number 8, quadrilateral, construction and types. Means in this lesson we are going to see construction of quadrilaterals as well as types of quadrilaterals. Two things we are going to see parallelly. Let us recall point is there. Let us recall point means whatever we have learned in previous classes. Okay. First point is given, construct the triangles with given measures. So in 7th standard we have learned all this. These 4 types of construction we have learned in standard 7th. Let us see one by one in short. Triangle ABC, when 3 sides are given, means in this we take any one of the side as a base, okay, and then taking the accurate measurement in compass, make the arc and join it. This way, this first construction we had seen. This already we have learned it in standard 7, so just I am explaining it in short. Number 2, triangle DEF, when one angle is given, okay, means angle D is given, angle F is given, and length of one side is given, means the triangle in which two measures of two angles is given and one side. Means in that case what we do, this side we take as a base, okay, then suppose this as D and F, then measure of angle D 35 degree, we take it this way, okay, angle F 100 degree, we take it this way something, okay, and this way the triangle gets constructed. Then example number 3, triangle MNP, okay, in which length of two sides is given and one angle is given. The same way, suppose take one side as a base, okay, another side as a, with the help of compass, take proper distance in the compass and draw the marking for that, okay, and then angle P, with proper measure that angle is taken, okay, and then that side is joined. Alright. Then number 4, triangle XYZ, in which two sides are given and one angle is given, okay, then two sides are taken. So from that one side is taken as a base, suppose XY is taken as a base 4.2, okay, then XZ is given, okay, and measure of angle Y is given. Then take this angle Y, suppose this is 90 degree, here it is given 90 degree, take 90 degree, okay, and then what is the measure given of XZ? XZ 7 centimeter, then in compass take 7 centimeter, make arc and join it, okay. This way we get all this, and this we have learned it in standard 7th. Moving ahead with the further point. Here information is given regarding quadrilateral. What is the meaning of quadrilateral? First let us understand what is quadrilateral, then we'll go for construction of quadrilateral. Every quadrilateral has 4 angles, 4 sides and 2 diagonals. Means total 4 angles, 4 sides, 2 diagonals. So total it becomes total 10 elements. Okay. Elements means now in science we say parts are there, body parts, parts of the plant. The same way in maths this word is used, elements. Okay. In triangle how many were there? Suppose this is the diagram of a triangle. Then a triangle has 3 sides, then 3 angles. Alright. Okay. So a triangle has total 6 elements. Right. Okay. The same way a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. Total 10 elements are there. Remember this is very important because this is going to prove very useful in case when you decide the construction. Okay. From here one more let us learn activity is there. Okay, what we have to learn? We are going to start with construction of a quadrilateral. Okay, some information is given, then we will go to the construction. We can construct a quadrilateral if we know the measures of some specific 5 elements out of 10. Okay, जैसे triangle में कितने मालूम होने चाहिए? 3. Okay, if you see the above 4 examples, okay, in that only 3 elements are given. Either 2 sides are given, 1 angle is given, or 3 sides are given, or 3 angles are given, okay, or one side and two angles are given, or two sides and one angle is given, but minimum 3 elements are necessary for the construction of triangle. The same way, for the construction of a quadrilateral, minimum 5 elements are necessary. Right? Then this will be clear from the following example. Let us move to the further solid example. Here solid example is there. Okay, to construct a quadrilateral, if the lengths of 4 sides and a diagonal is given, यानी एक क्वाड्रिलैटरल में कितने 4 साइड की जो लेंथ है वो दी है और एक डायगोनल, मीन्स टोटल दिस 4 एलिमेंट्स एंड दिस 1 एलिमेंट, टोटल इट बिकम्स 5. Okay, so information of 5 elements is given. What is the example given? Construct quadrilateral PQRS. PQRS. Okay, इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है. In that what is given? PQ is given 5.6 centimeter. QR is equal to 5 centimeter. PS is equal to 4.3 centimeter. Length of RS is equal to 7 centimeter and length of QS is equal to 6.2 centimeter. Okay. Then before going to construction, what rule we have learned in standard 7th? That first prepare a rough diagram. तो ये rough diagram बना लेते हैं. Okay, a rough diagram. Already we know the diagram this. Okay, but let us prepare. Let us have a habit. Okay. Then what is the name of the quadrilateral? PQRS. ऐसी एक rough diagram बनानी जरूरी है. Okay. In that length of PQ is given 5.6 centimeter. Okay. QR is given 5 centimeter. PS is given 4.3 centimeter. Length of RS is given 7 centimeter. Okay. Length of QS is equal to 6. QS is given 6.2 centimeter. Right? This way our quadrilateral will be. Alright? Remember one more thing. One additional point is there. Drawing a quadrilateral means nothing but drawing two triangles together, joined to each other. Okay, here you see quadrilateral with a diagonal means here this is one triangle, this is one triangle. Okay, so in 7th standard you have learned how to draw or how to construct a triangle. Okay, here you have to construct 2 triangles together. It is nothing but the constructing of a quadrilateral. It is very simple. Okay, how it is solved? Now let us draw a rough diagram, rough figure already which we have done here. Right, and show the information in it. This total information we have shown in it. Okay, from the figure we see that the sides of triangle SPQ and triangle SRQ are known. Means what? It is as like as the construction of triangle whose 3 sides are given, and they are joined to each other. Okay, so if we construct triangle SPQ and triangle SRQ of given measures, we get quadrilateral PQRS. Construct the given quadrilateral on your own. We have to construct it on our. Now when you go for constructing the triangle, this type of triangle, first what you do? First, as per the rules, as we have learned in standard 7th, first take the base. Take the base of 5.6 centimeter. Okay. Then take proper distance. Proper means 4.3 centimeter distance in the compass and make arc here. And you have to make arc here. Okay. Then in the compass take 6.2 centimeter distance and from the point Q make an arc here. You will get the point S. Okay. Join these two. Then from the point Q again take 5 centimeter distance and make an arc here. Right. The same way in the compass take 7 centimeter distance and the distance 7 centimeter distance, what is it 7 centimeter? It is nothing but the distance between S and R, and take a arc here. You will get the point R and then join the points SR and QR. and then join this QS. Write the measures of the lengths of the sides. Okay, length of the diagonal. Write the names of vertices, and your construction is ready. Just you have to practice it in the notebook. Now let us move to second type of construction. What is it? To construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 diagonals. I can see here 3 elements are given, here 2 elements are given. 3 plus 2, 5. Minimum 5 elements should be there, or else construction of quadrilateral is not possible. Are given. Now construct quadrilateral WXYZ. Okay, let us go on drawing the rough figure. Okay, already it is given here. What is the name of the quadrilateral? WXYZ. W, X, Y and Z. Okay, such that YZ is equal to 4 centimeter. YZ is given 4 centimeter. Then ZX means this diagonal is given. What is it? 6 centimeter. Okay, WX means this side is given 4.5 centimeter. Okay, ZW, where this we have taken as a base, it is given 5 centimeter. Then length of YW means the another diagonal, it is given 6.5 centimeter. Alright, okay, this way our rough diagram is ready. Now let us draw a rough diagram and show the given measures. Now in this case, what you have to do? First draw the base. Okay, with the help of scale. Okay, with the help of scale, take 5 centimeter distance, that is your base. Okay, then with the help of first we have to complete one triangle. Then with the help of compass, in compass take 4 centimeter distance and make a arc here. 4 centimeter. Okay, from the point Z. Then from the point W, take 6.5 centimeter distance in the compass and take another arc. Okay, you will get the point Y. Okay, then join the sides YZ and the diagonal YW. Okay, your one triangle is ready. Then from the point Z, take 6 centimeter distance in the compass and take arc to this side, because now we want the point X. Okay, then from the point W, take 4.5 centimeter distance in the compass and take arc here. Right, you will get point X. Then join the diagonal, then draw these sides, and then at last draw the side X, Y. Okay, your quadrilateral is ready. Write all the measures, lengths of the sides, then lengths of the diagonals, names of the vertices. Your construction is ready. Okay, let us practice this in the notebook. Okay, now let us move to the third construction. What is it? To construct a quadrilateral if 2 adjacent sides and any 3 angles are given. Okay, again here also 5 elements are given. 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles means total 5 elements are given. Right? So 5 elements are very necessary. Construct quadrilateral LEFT. Here LEFT. This is only our rough diagram. How you draw? Suppose now before construction we don't know how the diagram will be. Okay. So LEFT. Let us draw the rough diagram such that EL is equal to 4.5. EL. This will be 4.5 centimeter. Then EF, length of the side EF is 5.5 centimeter. Then measure of angle L, this will be 60 degree. Okay. Measure of angle E is 100 degree. Alright. And then measure of angle F is 120 degree. Okay. So this is our rough diagram. Okay. Then by using this information of the rough diagram, first draw the base. Okay, पहले base तो बनाओ. Okay, then draw the base of 4.5 centimeter with the help of scale and pencil. Alright. Then with the help of protector, take the measure of angle 100 degree from the point E. Okay. प्रोटेक्टर यूज करना है. ओके. एंड प्रोटेक्टर की मदद से 100 डिग्री का एंगल लेना है. राइट. 100 डिग्री. मेक द मार्किंग. Okay, and draw the angle. Okay, now here what condition is given when you draw the line? Okay, what is given that the length of this side should be 5.5 centimeter. Then in the compass, take the length of 5.5 centimeter and make the arc of 5.5 centimeter. Okay, 5.5 centimeter का arc लेना है. Means you will get the point F. Okay, then from the point L, take the measure of 60 degree with the help of protector, because that this angle we want 60 degree. Then 60 degrees measure. Okay, and join the line. Okay, but we don't know the length of this line. Right? Okay, then draw it. Then from the point F, again take with the help of protector, again take the measure of the angle 120 degree. Okay, यहाँ से 120 degree. Okay, or you can take from here you can take 120 degree. Okay, 120 कहाँ आता है? Here. Okay, and then draw this 120 degree. Okay, this angle measures 120 degree. Then draw the line. These two lines means the side LT and the side FT, they will intersect each other at the point T. Okay, and in this way you get the final construction. Alright, let us practice this in the notebook. Whatever the instructions are given, as per the instructions, practice it in the notebook. Now let us move to fourth construction. The fourth construction is to construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 angles included by them are given. Length of the 3 sides of a quadrilateral and 2 angles means total 3 plus 2, 5 elements. Okay, are given. Let us draw the rough diagram. Okay, as it is a quadrilateral, draw the quadrilateral. Okay, name of the quadrilateral is PQRS. Okay, only what care you have to take, that whatever the side you will take as a base, the length of that side should be given. Means here in this you can take as a QR as a base, or RS as a base, or SP. From these 3 sides, any one side you can take as a base. Okay, and measure of 2 angles. Then as per the instruction, first take the base 5 centimeter, name it as QR. Okay, then from here take 62 degrees angle, draw the side. Then this side is given 6.2 centimeter. Then take 6.2 centimeter distance in the compass and take arc. Okay, what you will get? You will get the point S. Then from point S, take 75 degrees angle. Okay, 75 degrees angle and draw a straight line. Okay, and then what condition is given? That this side should be 4 centimeter. Then in compass take 4 centimeter distance and make a arc. Okay, you will get the point P. Okay, यानी अब तक तुम्हारे पॉइंट Q फाइनल हो गया है कि R फाइनल हो गया है, S फाइनल हो गया है, P फाइनल हो गया. Okay, then join all the points. Join this QP, PS, SR, this. Okay, write the names of the sides and measures of the angles. Okay, your construction is ready. Okay, practice this construction also in the notebook. Okay, with the help of instructions, whatever instructions are given while explaining it. Okay, with the help of those instructions you can practice it. Now let us move to practice set number 8.1. Okay, in practice set number 8.1, total how many examples are given? 4 examples are given. Okay, these 4 examples I am going to explain it actually, means how construction is done, that also in the notebook or on the pages. Right? The first example is in quadrilateral MORE. Length of MO is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Length of OR is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Measure of angle M is equal to 58 degree. Measure of angle O is equal to 105 degree. Measure of angle R is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So first thing what we are going to do, we are going to draw the rough diagram, and then according to the rough diagram, we are going to draw the final construction. Here the first example is written now. Okay, already I have explained it. Okay. Now let us draw the rough diagram. Okay. Before going to the construction, let me explain you the rule which is explained in standard 5th, 6th and 7th. In construction we have to use only pencil. Okay. But here I am going to use pen. Why? So that this video should be clear to everyone. Okay. But the rough diagram and construction is to be done with the help of pencil, that also pointed pencil. Okay. Let us draw the rough diagram. Quadrilateral. Okay. Now the side we have to take as a base. That length should be given of the base. Suppose this, I may take it as MO. Here my length is given 5.8 centimeter. Okay, MORE. Length of OR is given 4.4 centimeter. Then measure of angle M is given 58 degree. Then measure of angle O is given 105 degree. Measure of angle R is given 90 degree. Okay. Now with the help of this rough diagram, we have to make the final construction. Okay. So first with the help of scale and pencil, take the length of 5.8 centimeter. 5.8 centimeter distance is taken. Okay. Name it as MO. Already as we have taken here. Okay. The length of the side is 5.8 centimeter. Then with the help of protractor, from angle O, take the measure of angle. How much angle we want? 105 degree. Okay. Fix the line, baseline. For this line, what do we call? Baseline. Baseline on the side MO, and from here take 105 degree. 105 degree. Okay. Even from the point M, we have to take measure of angle 58 degree. And from here also you take 58 degree, as the protractor is there in your hand. Okay. This point also let us fix it. Okay. Now let us join this side. Draw the segment. Okay. This also segment we will draw. What is the measure of this angle? O, 105 degree. Okay. Then measure of this angle M is 58 degree. Okay. This side is 5.8 centimeter. Now here if you see, observe it in the rough diagram, the length of the side OR is given 4.4 centimeter. So take 4.4 centimeter distance in the compass. 4.4. Then make an arc by adjusting the steel point on the point O. Then make an arc on the side. Okay. What does this arc explain? What does it denote? It denotes the point R. Point R. Alright. Now the next step is we have to take 90 degree the angle from the point R. What angle we have to take? 90 degree angle. Okay. So adjust the protractor properly on the point R and this baseline on the this side OR, okay, and take the marking of 90 degree. Okay, then join the point, this is the point which we got, this point and point R, join them. Okay, by joining these 2 points we got the point E. So let us name it as point E. Right, here our construction is over. Only what is remaining, we have to write the information of the elements. What elements? The length of the side, measure of the angle which is remaining. Okay, this is 4.4 centimeter. Okay, so here once again you check, have we written the names of all the 4 vertices? Written. Then length of the 2 sides, written. Then measure of these 2 angles, this third angle, it is remaining. As it is 90 degrees, show only the sign. Okay, this sign is sufficient. So here our construction is over. Here is the second example of practice set number 8.1. What is the example? Let us read the example. Construct quadrilateral DEFG such that, now here specifications are given. How is the quadrilateral? Length of DE is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Length of EF is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Length of DG is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Length of DF is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Length of EG is equal to 7.8 centimeter. If you are having the textbook, you can see it in the textbook also. Okay, and confirm it. Now the first step is draw the rough diagram. Let us draw a quadrilateral, a rough quadrilateral I am saying. Okay. Then name the vertices. Okay, what is the name of the quadrilateral? D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G. Now what are the specifications? See, length of DE is equal to 4.5 centimeter. EF is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Then DG is equal to 5.5. Then length of DF. DF means what is it? It is a diagonal. DF is 7.2 centimeter. Then EG. What is EG? EG is also a diagonal. So length of EG is equal to 7.8 centimeter. Okay. Means here how many elements are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are given. In that 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Length of this side is not given, but it comes naturally. Okay. How it comes? Now let us start the construction. Okay. First thing what we have to do? We have to draw the base. Base is DE. The distance is 4.5 centimeters. So take 4.5 centimeter distance with the help of scale. Name the points D and E. D, E. Right. Now this quadrilateral we are going to draw, we are going to construct in 2 rectangles. First we are going to construct rectangle DGE. This rectangle we are going to construct. Then this second rectangle. Okay. This way we are going to do. Now first take this distance in the compass, 5.5 centimeter. So 5.5 centimeter distance in compass, from exactly adjust it on 0, 5.5. Okay. The same distance you have to take from the point D. Okay. From point D and make an arc. Okay. Now we don't know exactly location, so make it little bit longer. Okay. Now from point E, we need 7.8 centimeter distance in compass. So 7.8 centimeter distance, take it in the compass. This way it is. Okay. 7.8. So from 0, 7.8 centimeter distance is taken. Okay. and the same distance from the point E, take the arc of 7.8 centimeter distance. Okay. What is the meaning of this intersection of two arcs? It is nothing but the point G. Point G. If you feel, you may join it. Okay. I am using pen here so that you can see it clearly. So here our one triangle is over. Okay. This length is 5.5 centimeter. This length is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Means this half part is over. Now let us think of the next half. Okay. Now from the point E, what is the distance of point F? It is 6.5 centimeter. So let us take the distance of 6.5 centimeter in compass. 6.5 centimeter distance is taken in the compass. Right? The same distance from the point E, make an arc. Okay, we don't know the exact actual location, then may take it little bit longer one. Then think of this diagonal DF, because we want DF. Because now our next target is fixing the point F. What is the length? 7.2 centimeter. Okay, here it is given DF is 7.2 centimeter. Take the distance of 7.2 centimeter in compass. 7.2 centimeter distance is taken in the compass, and this 7.2 centimeter distance we have to take from the point D. Okay, and make an arc. Here the intersection comes. Okay, what is the meaning of this intersection? It is nothing but the point F. Right? Then join the point EF. EF. Then join the points DF, because it is a diagonal. Okay, write their lengths. This is 6.5 centimeter. Then this length we have taken 7.2 centimeter. This length we have forgotten that time. What is this length? 7.8 centimeter. All these specifications we have to enter here in the construction. That joining GF. Already we got the point G and point F. Okay. So let us join it. Join the point G and point F, because those 2 points are fixed. Here our construction is ready. Nothing is remaining. All the information, names of 4 vertices is written. Names of the length of all sides is written. Alright, here our construction is ready. Let us move to example number 3. The example is, in quadrilateral ABCD, length of AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Length of BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Measure of angle A is equal to 70 degree. Measure of angle B is equal to 50 degree. Measure of angle C is equal to 140 degree. Okay. First, draw the rough diagram. Let us draw the rough diagram. Now, before deciding the base, see which length is given. Which side's length is given. AB length is given. Take it as a base. AB. What is the name of the quadrilateral? ABCD. So quadrilateral ABCD. This way we have final the vertices. Now write the specifications in rough diagram. Length of AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Length of BC is given 4.8 centimeter. Measure of angle A is given 70 degree. Measure of angle B is given 50 degree. Then measure of angle C is given 140 degree. Now with the help of this information, we have to construct a triangle. Right? The first thing, draw the base. What is the length given? 6.4 centimeter. Take 6.4 centimeter distance. Name it as AB, whose length we have taken 6.4 centimeter. Right. Then here these two angles are given. Then first from the vertex A, take the measure of the angle. What measure is given? 70 degree. Then this 0, 0, 10, 20 till 70. Right. Then draw the segment. Draw the side. Exactly, we don't know up to where we have to write. Then from vertex B, we have to take the measure of the angle as 50 degree. Then take 50 degrees measure. 50 degree. Okay. Then, and this moreover, this length is given. How much it is given? 4.8. Means randomly just before taking the just 4 point means somewhere it will come till here, somewhere here. Okay. So draw this point and point B. What is the measure of this angle? 50 degree. Go on writing the things so that later on you may forget. Right. Now what distance is given? This distance is given 4.8. So first now we will fix the point C. 4.8 centimeter distance. In compass, take 4.8 centimeter distance. From point B means adjusting the steel point on B, take an arc. So what is the meaning of this? Now intersection, this is our point C. Right. Now from the point C, we have to take measure of the angle is 140 degree. So adjust the protector properly, adjust the baseline, adjust the this center point. Okay. And from this side, from this 0, you have to take how much? 140 degree. Okay. Right. So here we are getting 140 degree. So this point. So let us join the point and the point C. Right. What is the meaning of this intersection now? That intersection is nothing but the point D. Okay. Regarding D, nothing is given. So that's all. Here you can show the arrow. You can show the arrow. Okay. So what is the measure of this angle? 140 degree. What is the length of this side BC? It is nothing but 4.8 centimeter. That's all. This much only information is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the things are written. Names of 4 vertices is written. Okay. Our construction is over. Let us move to example number 4. The last example of this practice set number 8.1. Construct quadrilateral LMNO such that length of LM is equal to length of LO is equal to 6 centimeter. What does it mean? Means the length of LM and length of LO, these both sides length is 6 centimeter. The same case is done here. Length of ON is equal to length of NM is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Means length of ON and length of NM is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, means length of ON is also 4.5, length of NM is also 4.5. And then lastly, length of OM is 7.5 centimeter. Let us draw the rough diagram. What is the name of quadrilateral? LMNO. Okay, before deciding the base, first see whether the length of that side is given or not. LMNO, LM, length is given, so no harm is there. So we can final it. So length of LM is equal to 6 centimeter. LO is, let us first final this vertices, LMNO. Okay, LM is 6 centimeter, LO is 6 centimeter, then ON is 4.5 centimeter, then NM is equal to 4.5 centimeter, then length of OM, what is OM? OM is the diagonal and it is 7.5 centimeter. Our rough diagram is ready. Now let us move to final construction. First draw the base. What is the length of the base? It is 6 centimeter. So take 6 centimeter distance. Name the points L, M. What is its length? 6 centimeter. This also you have to write. Okay. Now in this case we are going to construct it triangle by triangle. First this triangle will final. Okay. So first take what is the length of LO? Side LO is 6 centimeter. So take 6 centimeter distance in the compass. Okay. And from the point L, fixing the steel point on point L, make an arc. Arc is done. Then this distance we want, how much we want? 7.5. Then take 7.5 centimeter distance in the compass. 7.5 centimeter distance in the compass. Okay. And then fixing the steel point on the point M, make an arc so that it intersects the previous arc. Okay. The meaning of this intersection is nothing but the point O, means we got the point O. Then join the side LO and then OM. This way our first triangle is over. Okay, let us move to second triangle. What is the length of this side? 4.5 centimeter and this also 4.5 centimeter. So first we will take 4.5 centimeter distance in compass. 4.5 centimeter distance is taken in the compass. From where we want? From the point M also we are supposed to take 4.5 centimeter distance. Okay. And then from the point O also, how much distance we have to take? 4.5 centimeter distance we have to take. What is the meaning of this intersection? It is nothing but the point N. Then let us join the sides NM and then ON. ON. Our construction is over. Write the measurements. What is the length of this OL? It is 6 centimeter. What is the length of this ON? It is 4.5 centimeter. What is the length of this side? 4.5 centimeter. What is the length of this diagonal? It is 7.5 centimeter. Names of 4 vertices is written. Then the length of the 5 elements, that is 5 sides, 4 sides and 1 diagonal is written, and our construction is over. Okay, so this was the last example. Once again I will request everyone to practice all these examples in your notebook, following the instructions, whatever the steps are told. By following all the steps, practice all the constructions. Okay, it will make you perfect.